Hi, I'm Jenny Dozier. And if you're like me, you've probably been hearing a lot about the healthcare worker shortage. This is something that isn't just impacting us nationally, this is something that we're feeling right here in Hampton Roads. In fact, you may have felt this the last time you were at your doctor's office or your pharmacy or trying to get into an emergency room, for instance. This makes a lot of sense because we have an aging population. We have tons of new medical technologies that are coming online all the time that we're going to need and see a higher demand to have professionals trained in. And we won't even go into the devastating role that COVID 19 has been playing in this shortage over the past few years. But this is where Virginia's community college system is in an incredibly unique position to be able to help with the shortage and to be able to help get highly qualified, skilled healthcare workers back in our hospitals, back in our doctor's offices, in our clinics and labs and pharmacies. We're an incredibly diverse and accessible education system. We actually have 23 colleges across the state. So that means no matter where you find yourself in Virginia, you're actually never too far away from one of our many colleges. And when you add to that the affordability, the tuition costs that we offer, which are well below the national debt average, by the way, which is higher for healthcare workers compared to other degrees and professionals. We have state of the art training facilities, we have highly qualified faculty, and we have accelerated degree programs now, which means that we can get students skilled, trained, and in the workforce with little to no debt in less than 2 years. Thanks for listening.